In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Many users, especially switching from an Android to iOS, wonder if you can change icon size on newest iPhone 17. Short answer is yes you can, but it looks a bit different than on an Android. To do that on this iPhone, hold your device's display until your icons will start shaking in a typical iPhone way, and you will see Edit button at the top left corner. Click on it, and when you access this pop-up, select Customize. Now in Customize section, available at the bottom, you can finally switch from your standard icons to large ones by tapping on this icon at the top right corner of Customize pop-up. So when I do that, I can see that size of my icons has changed. To close Customize pop-up, tap on your device's display. Unfortunately, if you turn on large icon mode, your apps will stay without labels. To go back to standard ones, access the same settings. And click on the same icon at the top right corner. But quick tip, if you want to do something different with your apps, you can always use all of those options under Customize. Click on dark, clear or tinted to check out all of those and maybe change style of your icons. If you decided to go back to your default ones, just go back to Customize section one more time and hit default. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!